Welcome to today's video, where we will be exploring the features of the National Instruments VB-8012. The VB-8012 is a versatile 100 MHz bandwidth, 2-channel virtual bench all-in-one instrument. This device consolidates 5 essential measurement and analysis tools into a single unit, saving you from the need to acquire and configure multiple instruments. The VB-8012 combines a mixed-signal oscilloscope, function generator, programmable DC power supply, digital I/O, and a digital multimeter, all integrated with the ability to interface seamlessly with your personal computer. Here are some benefits for buying from us. If you're interested in purchasing this part or another, you can request a quote by visiting our website at apexwaves.com or emailing us at sales@apexwaves.com. To get started, connect the power cable to the virtual bench and link it to your computer via a USB port. Next, open your File Explorer, navigate to This PC, and double-click on NI Virtual Bench. Run virtualbenchlauncher.exe to open the Virtual Bench application. We will now configure the Wi-Fi connection. First, attach the antenna to the back of the VB-8012. Navigate to File in the application. Select Wireless Configuration. Choose your Wi-Fi network and click Apply. You can now unplug the USB connection and operate the device wirelessly. Next, let's explore the logic analyzer, which can measure digital or analog signals. Connect the logic analyzer to the function generator to output a square wave on channel 0. In the application, click on the Digital tab in the right panel, where you can add additional channels. We'll demonstrate by adding up to 7 channels and moving the wire down the connector to observe how each channel responds as the wire is inserted. Now, let's move on to the oscilloscope. Connect a BNC cable from the oscilloscope to the function generator of the VB-8012. In the panel on the right side of the application, you can adjust the waveform, resize it, change the frequency, or modify the output type. The buttons on the bottom of the panel allow you to output different waveforms such as sine, square, or arbitrary waveforms. To add a second channel, simply connect another BNC cable. Or for this demonstration, we'll move the BNC cable from the first channel to the second. For the digital I/O, connect a breadboard wire from input 0 to output 0. You will observe channel 0 and channel 1 lighting up in the bottom left panel. As you move the wire down the connector, you'll see the corresponding channels light up, indicating the signal's activity. Next, let's demonstrate the multimeter function. Connect banana cables from the VB-8012 DEC power supply to the digital multimeter on the VB-8012. In the multimeter panel, click the first button at the bottom to select DC voltage. Adjust the voltage in the DC power supply panel and you will see the value update in the multimeter panel. In this demonstration, we will start at 6 volts and end at 0 volts. To measure current, move the banana plugs to the milliamp connector and to a separate power supply. Select 100 milliamps in the multimeter panel. Then to check amps, move the banana plug to amp connector on the VB-8012 digital multimeter and change the selection in the panel to 10 amps. Our power supply only outputs up to 3 amps, which is why the VB-8012 indicates 2 amps. For resistance measurement, reconnect the banana plug to the HI connector and the multimeter will display the measured resistance, in this case 1 megaohm. This concludes our tech tutorial for the National Instruments VB-8012. If you have any additional questions, please visit our website at apexwaves.com. waves.com, where our dedicated team is ready to provide the support you need. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product highlights, how-tos, and industry insights.